Hi besties, I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the regular Ipsy in a mail, so let's unbox it. I'm so excited. Alright, first I'm gonna unbox the small bag. I already took everything out, but the first item that I got is this Fenty lip gloss in the shade Hot Cherry. I love Fenty, so this is an amazing thing to get in your Ipsy, I guess. Then I got this Bare Minerals mascara. Super excited to try this. I also got Basie Beauty lipstick. First Day Beauty calming, or no, it's pore purging mask. This is exciting. I love First Day Beauty. I love their skincare products, so I'm very excited to try this. And then I also got this body butter. This brand has a really good exfoliating balm, so kind of hyped to try the body butter. And now for the Glam Bag Plus. This is a cute bag. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna take everything out real quick. First, I got this makeup brush. This is a really nice shape to apply your blush with. Then I got this under eye volumizing collagen pads. Never tried this. Kind of neat. And then we got this facial cleanser. And then I believe this is Kat Von D tattoo pencil liner. How great is this? Super excited. And then lastly, I have this eyeshadow palette. Let me open her up. Ooh, it's a cute packaging. Okay, so it's like a basic nude palette. That's all that I received in my October's Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Thank you so much, Ipsy, and yeah, I can't wait to try everything out.